You're watching Emmy-nominated Justice for America for Outstanding Legal Programming. Justice for America is back with the case of Sarah Miller suing Kevin Thompson in the amount of $4,500 after malfunctioning lawnmower damaged her house property. All right, so you're saying that the defendant, you're saying that the plaintiff knew that it was AI and it was caused by AI generated camera. So AI damaged it, not the malfunctioning lawnmower. Okay, so do you have a witness that could tell me something like that? Because hearing it from you, that's hearsay. Is that what somebody told you? Okay, let me tell you this, sir. That's hearsay. That's admissible in this courtroom. That's something you heard somebody tell you. I don't need to hear that. I need somebody, a witness, or AI-generated doctor, or AI-generated specialist. Did you bring any kind of specialist AI doctor here to court to tell me whether this was malfunctioning by the lawnmower or the AI-generated camera? You don't have that. All right, moving on. Plaintiff. Let me go over to you. I'm going to say this before I rule. You stated that the camera was damaged by him and the lawnmower. I don't think that happened. Coming up on Justice for America, what I do believe is that you malfunctioning the camera by tampering with the camera. Because AI sometimes malfunctions. I get it. But in this scenario, you was looking at your own camera, which by a liable source from this courtroom researched and found out that you tampered with the camera. And the reasons that I stated, you may not get your counterclaim. Okay? Judge Jordan's ruling is when Justice for America returns. Promotional consideration provided by